Felmley Hall. What am I hearing? So many dings. Okay, we're actually here. Little MT that could. Ooh yeah, 97. Relevel. Wait a minute. What happens if I press one? Oh. Obviously, Schindler door close button never fucking works, so. How are we not on 1? Where's 1? I wanna know where 1 is at. Even though I pressed 1 and it now says 2. Okay. So that's the same thing? I'm lost. Now I'm going to... I am confused by the buttons. Let's just go all the way up. Let's call that good. Airlock says the same. Let me get a picture.
Like the logo?
Yeah, the old Schindler logo on MTs. Okay, somebody did not coordinate this. Because I've got 7, and I've got 4.5. And I've got a rumble.
What do you mean? We're on floor 7.
7 and old logo. Okay. Yeah, I'm not so sure where 7's coming in here. Please don't leave. Because, I mean, there are like half floors and shit.
They just didn't, like, do it properly with the greenhouse.
Yeah. Oops, sorry.
Sorry.
I love how mislabeled everything is. Alright. Oh, and there's no star. There's no star. Where was I? Who knows? Let's press 1 and find out. I saw an MT and was like, oh cool, an MT. Little did I know that we were going to be messing with a fucking Rubik's Cube trying to figure out where to go. 2. Yeah, that's definitely what I pressed. Okay, guess this is where we're ending. Underleveled. Anyway, it's an MT. It's cute, it's fine, whatever. It's going somewhere. Bye.